Colors inhibit the mood. Your environment is very important as far as what colors that you have surrounding you. Painting is just that, being able to give you the proper well-being for your life. So paint to me, it really can shift your perspective from wherever you are. Getting your house renewed and refreshed, it's kind of like getting your house baptized in just fresh coat of paint.
I know I need a card, but it's like, they know where.
I am Jalal Lewis, owner of Rolling Shades Painting Company. And what we are a painting company that's looking to brighten your life one shade at a time.
Good afternoon, everyone. How y'all doing out there? Hope y'all doing great. For the ones who know me, what's up, what's up? For the ones who don't, my name is Jalal Lewis. If you're watching this video, be thankful.
Starting off in my journey, as a youth, my parents always instilled in me to be a leader, not a follower. And that really carried with me all throughout school and even till now. I went into cutting grasses, cutting lawns. Many youths probably have the same story, but that's what I did just to kind of keep that same mindset that my parents instilled into me. I went with it and I flowed with it.
How many of y'all sick and tired of working these jobs? Me! How many of y'all sick and tired of still being in this rat race? Me! How many of y'all sick and tired of going to the cubicle, being a server, or working at the drive-thru line, or just doing whatever you may do? Me. How many of y'all are sick and tired going to the same job each and every day? You want something new. It's a change coming. And I might have the opportunity for you. Like I told y'all before, I'm a network marketer.
And even from there, I went into many network marketing companies with me and my brother. And we kind of, jumped out there, created relationships with people, went to different events, and really experienced rejection. I'm not sure if many people are familiar with network marketing, but it is tough.
You know what I'm saying? Life is all about taking risks. So I'm saying you have to take risks. If you don't take risks, you'll never get anything new. I'm saying try network marketing and just take.
It kind of molded me into the person that I am mentally, to be able to approach people, to create relationships, to try to sell as well, and also to be able to deal with rejection and kind of endure those failures. That's something that I always, keep with me, and it kind of, like I said, it molds me to who I am today. And so from there, I went into the contractor field.
Out here at the Painting Expo, look at all this. Once you find your craft, go out there and get it.
I learned this trade, this specific paint trade, from a family friend, who was doing foreclosed homes. He put a sprayer in my hand before I even knew how to turn the sprayer on. When I tell you I had many struggles and many long days and nights, but I learned during that phase, I learned, different processes of how to just handle the production when it comes to painting. I learned different products, and I learned just a lot to do with the production side of painting. That's what I did in the contractor field. I got in there, learned as much as I could learn in about over 2 years. And from there, I kind of went off into my own.
Hey, how y'all doing? Back at work again, reporting to you from Ameria Park, yours truly, the plantation. And I want to tell y'all today, just something I want to give to you. When you're at your work, I know you might not like it, you might not love it, but it's always best to keep a good spirit.
I went to work as a valet. And being a valet, it definitely molded me. It molded my customer service skills. When you're a valet, you deal with different people throughout the whole course of that day. You're constantly, and you're working with people's valuable items. So they are very serious and very crucial of dealing with you. So that kind of allowed me to learn the whole customer service side of business in itself. I wanted to treat this as if it were my own business. So I did have those days where I didn't want to be at work, but that mind shift took place when I started to realize that Rolling Shades was starting to take off.
Hey, what's going on to all my entrepreneurs out there? This is yours truly once again, Mr. Jalal Lewis, CEO of Rolling Shades Painting. The purpose of this video is to talk to you guys about door-to-door marketing. This is one of the key things that every entrepreneur has to have, that hustler mentality.
And so I took that leap of faith and went solely into Rolling Shades, and I took all my time into going door to door. I had previous experience from network marketing to going up to people, basically cold calling people, going door to door, you know, facing people, speaking with people, building a relationship with people, dealing with rejection, but just getting my name out there and being able to go do something.
You know, why not just step out of your comfort zone, knock on people's doors. Make sure you got a mask because it's COVID-19, you know, days. But yeah, you know, step in front of people, speak to people, get to know people, you know, see if we can service them.
So from there, you know, Rolling Shades was in its infant stage about 4 years ago. In its very infant stage, you know, for me to just getting out there, building relationships and starting. And from there, you know, I got with Home Advisor, certain lead generation companies. Thumbtack was very successful for me. And I build my business from the ground up. With only the valet money in my pocket, I bought a roller, a pan. I had my brothers as free labor. And we went on ahead and we got this work done.
Once you increase your own value, you're more marketable. You have more skills. You can do more things.
Rolling Shades now is in that phase to where we're looking to scale our business. We are hiring subcontractors. We are taking on a lot more work. We are, you know, hiring new employees. I actually just brought on my wife. You know, she just left her position at her job, and you know, this is now a true family business right now. We are now looking to service everyone because now we have the staff and the team available to be able to do that. Because you know, Rolling Shades is here to be able to really improve everyone's quality of life. There's so many people out there that don't understand why they can't change their perspective, and actually it starts with the environment that you're in. You know, a fresh coat of paint does a lot for you. Allowing for all the cracks throughout your home to be repaired does even more for you. You know, that's something that, you know, you should not hold lightly. It's your investment and you want it to last for years. I mean, that's something that Rolling Shades is here to provide for you. So don't be afraid to go ahead and just reach out to a trusted paint company. Whether if it's not us, reach out to any paint company and get those walls prepared for you. Get those walls done the correct way. But just know, Rolling Shades, we hold very dear to us the prep work, you know, from the painting part of it, and also just the whole around entire experience for you. You know, it's not just the painting done, it's the whole experience from the start to finish. We really want to lay out that red carpet to give you what you want and what you deserve.